is for Pesky phone. The mobile has become more than a must-have accessory. It's a lifeline that many of us can't survive without. In business, mobiles have freed us up to stay on top of emails and calls wherever we are. But they've also been very detrimental to our in-person interactions. After all, how frustrating it is when you're trying to talk to someone and they can't keep their eyes or hands off the phone. There's a very simple rule here. Phones never take precedence over real-life humans. When you start a meeting or conversation, put your phone on silent or put it where you can't see it and ignore it until you are finished. Your colleagues, clients, friends and family will all thank you.